Episode 21, Collaborative Dynamics. Today, we're showcasing a conversation that highlights key expressions in a team setting. Scene, team meeting at Tech Innovations. Alex, project manager. All right, team, let's get the ball rolling on our new project. First, I think it's important that everyone plays to their strengths. Jenna, designer. I agree, Alex. My strength is creative design, which I can bring to the table for this project. Mike, developer. And I can focus on the technical side, but how do we ensure we're all aligned? Alex, good point. Let's touch base at the end of each day to keep track of progress and discuss any challenges. Mike, that sounds like a plan. Regular check-ins will help us stay on course. Let's look at these expressions. Play to your strengths, utilizing one's best skills or attributes. Example, Jenna plays to her strengths by focusing on design. Bring to the table, to offer or contribute something valuable. Like Mike brings his technical expertise to the table. Get the ball rolling. To start something, especially a process or activity. For instance, let's get the ball rolling with a brainstorming session. Touch base. To briefly make contact or check in. Example, we'll touch base daily to monitor the project's progress. See you next time.